Hi, it's Mike from CustomCruisers. Here we are. American Iron Horse big dog wheel, okay, or fat ass chopper, 300, perhaps 320 you could get on that rim. This is a 10.5. Okay. These particular wheels are American Iron Horse. Sorry, they're not. They're for an American Iron Horse, but these are actually RC components, 10.5 rim. Okay, as you can see here, we've got the Avon Cobra chromes going on. Superb tyres, you cannot beat them. But just check the depth of that chrome. You really can't get any better. These tyres, these wheels, sorry, very high end. If you want shitty wheels, we do them. Well, not shitty, but cheaper ones. Okay, if you want the ultimate, you know, you've got P&M, you've got RSD, but I always rank an RC one of the best. Russ Collins, drag racer, very strong, very forged wheels, very well made. If you're interested in any amazing wheels or amazing deals on tyres as well, flat spokes, whatever it is, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, CustomCruisers.com, the website, which will be miles out of date, I can guarantee it, because we never get a chance to do it. And the new site, which is pretty cool, CustomCruisers.eu, has a lot of good bargains on there, a lot of clearance stuff. But give us a call, thank you, and stay safe.